sad song. Ipalela Majita this one. It's a song of a fate. I'd rather listen to your sad story than go to your funeral, you know. Let's speak up, share our problems, and try to help each other. Talk to someone. It's not bulal, my daughter. Ish.
Yeah, my heart is bleeding, can't believe it. Just buried my best friend, a young bubble soul, always laughing, cool, didn't tell. He was going through the most, but he was hiding it. I feel so guilty and upset, and it just makes me sad to think of all the plans he had and all the education, the hope he had about the future, all that motivation. What could have pushed him so hard to the edge? What could be reason enough to give up and let it end? Why not just talk about it, try to find a way around it? A different mind would have come up with a different plan. Instead of taking a permanent life decision, we could have looked for options to this temporal confusion. Life is precious, these bad days, they never last. Good days are coming, there's a silver lining every dark cloud. Be strong, toba ngcono kusasa. Maphela umoya, qina ndoda, naphele mandla.
Beketela, phikelela, masinyane tovuleka indlela. Ungalahli lithemba, konke lokhu kudondlula. Beketela, phikelela, masinyane tovuleka indlela. Ungalahli lithemba, konke lokhu kudondlula.
Yebo ke konke lokhu kudondlula singakandluli la. Lithemba ngiyona nto lesengisele nayo bafowethu. Inkinga yalo selibambelele kakhulu kimi. Line kungafuni kunginika lithuba. Yima phela ngiphefumule nawe Themba. Phefumula. Yebo ngikhulume. Was also mentioning the fact that it is only today that I feel better. This conversation has built patience in me to see the brighter side of everything under this planet. Ngivela kuphela mina laba ngafuni ukukholwa kulesikhathi ngoba lesikhathi ndifuna njengathi singasuka enyameni silibangise enyangeni lengiJesu Kristu uqobo lwakhe luqobo lwakhe linekhamba lengilozi usengamfaka Gabriel nawuthatha lenivonena kusifundisa ukuthi asithandzane ngoba uma umthanda makhelwane ngeke abhubhe embi kwakho ngoba embili wempilo yakho kunelikhaya khaya lami lihle hle mina ngisengasho ukuthi ngumazi lo bhali
Beketela, phikelela, masinyane tovuleka indlela. Ungalahli lithemba, konke lokhu kudondlula. Beketela, phikelela, masinyane tovuleka indlela. Ungalahli lithemba, konke lokhu kudondlula.